It's a whole different level of
How are you gonna do it?
Outside?
Because we need light. I need light.
Yeah.
Exactly. Walter said that we need to do a quad photo of you three and then pose you guys outside.
Ooh.
Shoot it.
Okay. Okay.
Because you guys are all
Yeah. Barbs, quick question. Are those pants from Uniqlo?
No, they're from Express.
Close enough.
He thought you knew everything, Dan.
No, it's close enough. That was close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah.
These are a size 29.
I mean, you still miss a size 29.
I like it's like all sleek.
Yes.
And it's like the shirts are kind of like boxy. I don't know. There's something about it. It makes me feel.
Sorry.
Clean.
Hi, how are you?
She drinks soy milk. So what? Yeah. Brooke drinks soy milk. You know how many times I made fun of her for it?
We go no milk now.
No milk. 'Cause I'm gay.
Them on the TikTok.
I do?
No, now that you met them, you're gonna always notice them at on their TikTok, on Treehouse TikTok.
We'll see about that.
No, they're always all bars, especially. Walter, not so much on TikTok on Treehouse. He's in and out. Oh,
I'm
yeah.
incognito.
Yeah.
I'm behind the scenes. I'm more of like an in-person type of guy. Yeah.
Wanna do a trick?
Huh?
Wanna do a trick?
Yeah. I don't know, Eddie. All I know is treats. Get it?
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Trick or treat.
Pardon that. I'm not.
Now I have a lot of those jokes because my birthday's on Halloween. So
You're spooky.
yeah, I'm a spooky baby. Double spook.
So, what else do you do?
I write poetry.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a poet.
That explains the just kids in your pocket.
Don't do that. No, it's fine.
It also explains this.
If you want to. She loves it. I absolutely love it. I so cortado.
You actually have beautiful handwriting.
Thanks. It looks like chicken scratch.
That is actually very nice.
Yeah. Chicken scratch.
Give yourself more credit.
Thank you. I will someday.
It's a nice feeling when you get to go to a coffee shop and hang out with your friends and have great conversations, and you bring all your cameras because why not? And then you talk about photography, and then you take photos of each other because who else are you going to take photos of? And then pretty much that was what this day was, hanging out with my friends Walter and Dan, and me bringing the speed graphic and the lomograph lock and taking Instax wide photos, portraits of them, and that's pretty much it.
Dang. So expensive.
You know, it's what happens when you have niche hobbies.
This wide open. Hey, you gotta go. Damn, every time we take a photo of Walter, it's like, always, never fails.
Oh,
Did it appear or no?
we're getting my ghostly visage.
Oh, at least his face is appearing! We're getting somewhere. There's hope. Oh wait, damn, I focused and I didn't put the focus thingamabob. Where is that? Focus, even though... Oh no, it's not. It's still blurry. You lose the
Ready?
focus here.
There it is. 1, 2, 3.
It's blurred, but you know it's progress.
It's progress. Yes. You are correct.
So Walter, you're also a barista?
Yeah, I work here.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Are you? What else do you do, Walter? Tell me more about you.
I do content creating for a clothing company up the hill.
What's it called?
Prosper.
Oh, I've heard of them.
Yeah. I do content for them. And then I just kick around doing whatever else I like to do.
Damn.
Depends, yeah.
Wish I could do that.
Yeah, it changes every day. This is like my most steady job. Being a barista is like my primary job.
Okay,
Yeah.
listen.
Which I don't mind, 'cause it allows me for a lot of flexibility. Which is dope.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Alright. So, content creator, barista.
You two get along with music. That's Walter's also saying.
Yeah.
Walter, do you like music?
I do like music, yeah.
So backstory with the speed graphic, I've always had this camera for a while now, and I've only used it when I first got it in LA, thanks to Rafa. And then I never used it again. And actually, when I got the actual Lomograph lock, I never even used it. It's been sitting in the box. I only used the prototype. And so now I told myself, why not? I should really just try to use it and figure it out again. So it was a struggle because I was trying to refresh my brain on how to do this all again.
Is that a song by them?
Yeah.
Or I know like that's one line.
And they're talking about, sampling and history and like all that stuff. And it's just like, man, you guys are really going in.
Move more to the left. I mean, right. Right? Not you. The camera.
Yeah, it's slid that way.
It's better now or no?
Yeah, it's true.
I just want to see it.
The avalanches. What else you listen to?
I'm exiting Radiohead phase.
Okay.
Yeah, listen to Radiohead for
Okay, what is it? Okay, what album were you really like vibing with?
the Bends.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I feel like people don't give that album enough credit.
Yeah, a lot of kids go like Kid A or
Kid A, OK Computer.
OK Computer's a huge one too.
Or-
Which I also like.
No,
Okay, so let me know.
I think that's good. Can you see how like that?
It was Dan's first time using the speed graphic with the Lomograph lock, and honestly, he picked it up way faster than I did, and he took this portrait of me, which was pretty amazing.
Yeah, make it feel different.
Okay, make it feel sexy.
Yeah. How about slide this way? And then you back out. You put your hand to the rest of
Yeah, right.
the 2, 3.
See how Walter's photo turned out.
Put your shoulder down. Put you across your arms. Yeah. More pensive.
Pensive.
1, 2, 3.
This is so much easier than what we were doing. I hate it so much.
Technology, huh?
is the end of the video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, it will help me in the long run. Okay, bye.